enough?
I have one more question. It's sort of related. You've described the group of entities that's Abraham as having gathered together because of mutual interests in serving humanity.
Law of
or
attraction
whatever.
always does that.
And you've also...
And the only reason that we've told you any of that is because you've demanded putting us into some sort of a context that you can accept.
Well, I know we're trying to describe things that are not of this world with words that are of this world, yeah, which is...
We're really looking forward to the time that you speak of us, of how we make you feel. And you did that when you first sat down. I feel safe with you, Abraham. I feel sure of my well-being with you, Abraham. I feel all-knowing with you. In other words, that's what your first words said to us. You described us through vibration rather than through physical, see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, touch it, dimensional things.
One last question would be, what's the difference between the collective consciousness that you are and what we term God? Is there a difference?
No, there's no difference.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yep. Really good. What you might want to call God might be a larger collection of the microcosm that is us. You follow? We are not all that God is, but we are that which God is, as are you.